In this video, we're going to be making this lamp right here, and it has 100 slats in it, similar to how blinds are. And I just put those in there by cutting notches into the sides. So it was a really big learning curve as to how to get those notches in there and how to make them line up. And I hope you enjoy the video. Now I'm running the jointed edge against the fence and taking off a very thin slice off the outside to make sure I get two parallel faces. I'm gonna set the width that I cut to be just under the width of the board by sliding the fence over until the board will not go through the gap between the blade and the fence. Now I'm just gonna run these corner pieces against the fence, and I'm cutting a little bit over halfway through, so I cut these cubes out of the side. And to do this safely, I set up a feather board to keep it against the fence, because when you're cutting stuff at weird angles like this, you never know really what could fall where. So what I've done here is I've laid out all four of the corners, and I'm just gonna mark each corner, and each piece will have a 1 and a 2 on different sides, and I'm gonna put a 1 on the left side and a 2 on the right side. Of course, that doesn't really matter. And basically, the first side will be cut with jig 1, and the second side will be cut with jig 2. Jig 1 will be mounted with the sled in this orientation right here. And then I will rotate the little miter sled 20 degrees in the other direction, and then I'll put this jig on, which will go like so, and that'll give me corresponding slots that will line up between the two different pieces. And there's our first piece. I can go do that to all the one sides now. Looks pretty good. These don't seem to be too weak, so that shouldn't be a problem. So now I need to cut the slats that'll go between the two different pieces. Now I'm going to turn these pieces right here into 93 different 5-inch pieces. So as you can see here, this is pretty meticulous work, and some of those pieces between the slats would break off, and I had to super glue them back in, and that's what I just did there and clamped it. So now I got my two side pieces put together, and I'm gonna start on the third side, which will connect them. This one's gonna be a little bit trickier because I don't have anywhere to bottom the little slat out to, and I'm just gonna have to kind of eyeball it and make sure they're all even. Also, I like to make the one on this very top right here really loose. That way it can slide in, and I don't have to worry about that really small top piece breaking off. The stock that we're gonna use as the frame, actually we're gonna cut away a little bit of it. And the amount that we're leaving right here is actually equal to this amount right here. And so you can tell we're not taking much off, but that will be crucial that the frame lines up with the corners of the lamp. Here I'm just cutting the miters for the frame on the miter sled. So here's the piece of the frame. I'm gonna glue up 4 of these. They're all identical, and I'm gonna glue up that frame right now. I have my top right here. I know I showed you I was putting the thumbtacks in. That didn't work at all. So what I did was just made this little frame and hot glued it in the edges right here. And I know I've used a lot of hot glue in this project, but it seems to be going pretty well. Now I'm just gonna glue it onto the top right here. And there's one orientation where it fits better, because after I put all these little pieces in on the side, the legs pretty much weren't even, and this frame didn't end up super flat, even though the miters look relatively good. So I'm finishing this with a matte finish because glossy finish, you have to get it a nice even coating, and I don't think I'm going to be able to get a perfectly even coating over all these slats because it's going to be kind of difficult to get in between them. Also, I just have a piece of paper on top right now, and that's protecting the Teflon. So the little light, so to hold the light bulb in there, I made this little brackety type thing that just slides in this square. And I just got lucky that this big wire plate that we had would fit in there right if I cut it in the right dimensions. And so that was pretty much all luck. Basically all it does is the light bulb drops in like so. And it sits on that last little rung that we put in. Now I'm taking these super small screws and putting them in the corners to hold it from sliding out. Right now I can just put 2 screws in opposing corners.